Yes, of course, we know this overheating is real because we know this from the Galaxy Watch 4 and many people have been complaining about this. But what about the new iteration of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Is it still there? And then, guys, what about that poor battery life you guys have been complaining about almost on a daily basis? Well, here we go. First up is a 30 minutes phone call with no headphones connected in LTE only mode, of course, to make it more interesting for everyone involved. I am using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro here, the LTE version, of course, in LTE standalone mode, and I'm making a phone call on my watch with no headphones. The first call is no headphones, no Galaxy Buds connected. So 30 minutes have passed and we made a phone call LTE only mode via the speakers on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro LTE version. No overheating so far. Battery life suffered about 10%, and of course I started my quest today with a fully charged Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Of course, we don't stop here. Let's do some heavy-duty music streaming via Spotify. Let's open up Spotify and let's connect some Galaxy Buds via Bluetooth and let's do some streaming for 30 minutes on LTE only. Well, the good news is there is no overheating inside as of yet. The battery went down to 78%, so let's have a brief recap before we continue testing. So a 30 minutes phone call with no Galaxy Buds or no earphones connected and 30 minutes streaming via LTE. Everything is via LTE, but with Galaxy Buds connected, when listening to Spotify, your battery will suffer about 20%. Hang on. Of course, I did some more testing. I did another 30 minutes phone call, but I changed some data settings from automatic mode to always on to see if there is a difference. Always on means LTE will be the only source of data, which should be the case anyway, but you never know, right? Well, another 30 minutes passed and no overheating as of yet, and the battery went down to around 61%. And you guys notice I'm not easily pleased. I wasn't satisfied just yet, so I did more streaming via Spotify. I did more streaming via LTE, another 30 minutes with Galaxy Buds connected. So let's see what happened here. Well, lo and behold, no overheating, and we're still in always on mode. I have not changed any settings since my last phone call, and the battery went down to around 50%. And I'm gonna get to normal usage in a second, but if you are on LTE only, 50% battery life has been 1 hour of phone call and 1 hour of music streaming. So you basically with the Galaxy Buds connected for most of the time, LTE only. But hang on, there is more. So if you do not use LTE like I did today, you can expect the following results. Of course, bear in mind it all depends on your settings, but 2 days is a valid claim for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I can confirm overheating has been fixed.